Part: 4. Inspired by Mr. Leo's stories, the children returned to the beach with gloves, nets, and big dreams. Tiko watched from the waves, nodding as they picked up plastic and planted coral fragments. Every weekend, they gathered, cleaning, learning, lock, ing tiko, swam beside them, guiding their tiny boats and showing hidden reefs. One day, a baby turtle was found tangled in trash. The children worked together to free it, just like Leo once did for Tycho. From that moment, they called themselves Tiko, single quotes S team, guardians of the sea.